Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the iPhone 15 Pro. First of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in that video will be always the same. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings. The settings will have always this symbol here. So just look for this symbol, tap on it. Now we are in the settings and now we need to scroll down a bit to the point general. There's also something like a settings wheel here in gray in front. A white gray wheel in front. Just tap on general. Then you need here at this point language and region. If you want to count from the last point here, you have to count 6 positions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th one from below is language and region. And now you are here and have maybe a list. And if your language is here part of that list, like in my case Deutsch, so German, then you can just go here on the 3 bars, hold them, put Deutsch or your language on top, leave your finger, go on the red written word to continue, and your language is then your language. In my case, Deutsch. Yeah. Okay, let me show you what to do if this language is not, also if your language is here not part of that list. Well, let me bring it back to English that you can follow the video better. Okay, so in case, let's wait a few seconds. The phone is turning now into English. Okay, what you should do now, if your language is not part here of that list, I think you have seen it already, you can add here another language. Now you can choose for many languages. Even sometimes we have also some dialects here, like Portuguese from Brazil and from Portugal itself. Let's keep going on maybe with English. Let's take the dialect of India. Greetings, by the way. And then you can choose here. Sometimes also if you want to use the UK English or if you want to use the India English, the Indian one. So I want to have the Indian one. And now the phone is changing the language now to English with the dialect of India. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. I can subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and maybe until next time. Ciao.